So here's a cool new feature they added in Photoshop CS5, and it's one of those ones that's really small, but I think a lot of people will find it really, really useful. So let's bring up the layers palette and explain this. This is the ability to control opacity or fill on multiple layers at the same time. So here I've got a photo, and maybe I'm going to build a web gallery over the top of this, right? So I've got one photo, two photos, three photos that are going to be in the gallery. But I actually want these first two photos to be faded back. So this one will be the active photo for the rollover. So I'm just trying to demonstrate that. So, now you can actually select these multiple layers. So I can just hold shift and click on those, and I can reduce the opacity of both of those at the same time. Really small feature, but man, have I been wishing for this for a really long time. If I didn't want to fade everything, I could just reduce the fill, and that would allow my layer styles to stay at 100% while the pixel data itself is reduced. And the old quick key trick works. Having both layers selected, if I just punch in a number on my 10 key over here, let's say I hit the number 5, you'll see my opacity drops to 50%. Pretty cool, huh? It's going to save you a lot of time. Thank you, Adobe, for doing this one. Now, I would like to say, if they could eventually get to the point where we have these 3 layers selected and we could add layer styles to all 3, man, that would be that'd be batting 1,000. But we'll wait for that for CS6, I guess.